Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to log in into your Qwen account in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Qwen website in your browser or launch the Qwen app on your device. On the home page, look it and tap to the sign in button. This will take you to the sign in page. Now enter your email or user and the password in the respective field. Make sure you have typed them correctly. If Qwen has two-factor authentication enabled, check your email or phone for verification code and enter it. You can log in now. Once logged in, you will be redirected to your Qwen dashboard where you can explore your settings and start using your account. And that's it. Now you know how to log in into your Qwen account quickly and easily. If this video helped, drop a like, leave a comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.